Bienvenidos a Breaking Barriers.
Hi, welcome to Breaking Barriers, a conference for teens
made by teens as the Caminantes. We're a group of teens passionate about the creative art. While pursuing our passion, we connect with our culture and community. In this conference, you will be able to connect with Latin American culture and your own mental health.
To achieve this goal, we have created workshops and activities for you to connect with the Latin American culture.
The Caminos program is really designed for teens who care about their culture and want to become more familiar with a lot of the cultural traditions of Mexico and Mexican Americans. They're coming together just over a shared love of Latino culture. And they're realizing that that doesn't look the same for everybody. Some folks grew up speaking Spanish at home, some didn't. Some grew up, going back to Mexico for the holidays, some didn't. And I think that it's really great to realize that there's no right way to celebrate one's culture. And there's no right or wrong way to be Latino, Latina, Latinx. It's just a collection of values and practices, traditions that are passed on through generation that we're trying to help the teens discover kind of how to keep those alive.
I think they're able to connect with their culture through the arts, because that's like one of the things that we kind of practice. We do a lot of field trips that really provide that in-depth experience of exploring the Latinx culture and kind of connecting them to the Latinx culture as a whole.
Teachers that they teach us through the art, their culture, the traditions, and that's a way for teenagers to connect through the culture here and their roots.
The Caminos program, I think, really does a lot to bring in all these different pieces of who we are ancestrally, who we are traditionally. What we're trying to do here, what Caminos is trying to do, is have the teens realize that this is alive. This is not past and old and done, and that it's okay. It's okay to know who we are, because that's the only way we grow.
I think a way for teens to stay healthy in today's society is cut out a lot of the negative stuff. In our world today, there's a lot of negativity, I feel like. A lot of hatred and all this stuff, especially from social media or just news. I feel like blocking that out, doing some things that can be self-care can really soothe one's mental health.
A big way to really get away from the negatives is by avoiding much of the social media platforms that we have today, because there's a lot of way for toxicity there. There's a lot of verbal abuse. There's a lot of things that are very detrimental to their mental health.
I think it's mostly about expression, self-expression, whether that be through music or going to the gym, or kind of just something that lets you do something your own way and it lets you be creative. I do a lot of those things. More recently, I've started making music, and just helps me kind of zone out and focus my mind, where I don't have to think too much, but I also can be focused on something. So it's focusing, but also kind of letting myself be a little free.
So how do our teens be well? Connecting with our life ways, the life ways that have been left with us. So reconnecting with all that is, understanding that sacredness of their voice. That's so important, because sometimes we hide it, we don't believe it. We have that internalized depression, especially our young people. They don't think they know, or they have the right, or, I'm not sure exactly what people's come from. And so all that disconnection is very harmful. So these things that we're doing here, that Caminantes is doing, Caminos is doing, the Institute of Chicano Psychology, and all the different peoples here are for that planting and that sowing of those seeds of well-being for our youth. And the more that they can reconnect and feel that power of who they are, the better, again, that they will feel mentally, physically, spiritually, and with family and their relationships.
Growing up, I so wish there was a program like Caminos to be able to connect with your roots and your culture and your heritage. Leading up to Breaking Barriers, I've been thinking about it a lot, just how I wish that when I was growing up, I would have had that opportunity to, engage with teens, with other teens, and to learn about my history, my culture more, to feel like it's being celebrated.
I really love it when the teens see themselves represented, when they can create an art exhibit or a mural and put something from their culture, something that feels really familiar and special to them, and present it to the world, because we all just want to be seen and accepted, and this program does a great job of allowing them the space to do that.
I feel like Caminos is really all about feeling comfortable with other people in our program, and really just like expressing ourselves and not being scared to do so.
After this program, I think one of the big takeaways is to just be myself and express myself the way I want to be. Caminos has allowed me to really use my talents, my interests, and just explore what I have, and I'll bring that to the table and express my ideas and be part of this wonderful community.
I love Caminos.